Hey, what's up, everybody? It's a beautiful sunny day and the water is super calm, and I'm out fishing with one of my jiu-jitsu teammates. He doesn't get to fish very much, and he's hooked up here, and let's see what it is. So he's using a floater, launcher, and it's a Hinalea. First fish of the day. So I'm whipping with 3/4 ounce lead, similar area. So I'm casting up the channel and I move over to my left so I have a better direction of reeling it in. And I'm hooked up. My first fish. I can tell right away it's not that big. So just reeling it in, keep my rod tip up. No need to fight it. Just comes right in. And what is it? It's a small Moano. Hopefully we get a bigger one for dinner. Throw that back. So I'm trying again. We're whipping this area, and the reason why we're whipping this particular area is when I was diving and uh, saw some big papio over here, big omilus, but they weren't biting our bait today. Hooked up again, another small fish. Just reeling it right in. Got stuck on the rock a little bit. Love the how calm the water was. Love the sound of the water. It was kind of hot though. And it's another Hinalea. We caught a lot of Hinalea on this trip. So we moved over, we moved further north, and he's hooked up. And this is something a little bit bigger.
Real.
He's thinking it's stuck in the rock.
Real.
So the problem is when you get there are a lot of boulders out here, so the fish probably wedged itself in
Hey,
the
just be
rock.
patient. Just be
So
patient.
there's a
What
fish on.
happened?
I tell him to be patient so he doesn't break the line. And there the fish came out. And he's
There
reeling
it
it in.
is. Reel down
And
to
we
the
see
lead. Reel
color.
down to the lead. Now lift it up.
And he
Oh
brings it up,
yeah, bring it
and it's a
on.
nice Moano.
Score.
Nice big one.
Dinner.
So that's a keeper.
Big Moano.
That's
Awesome.
going to be dinner for him.
You got your dinner.
Nice trip. Thanks for
Good
watching.
job.
Please like and subscribe, and aloha.